Southland College Prep has a bowling unit that the seniors partake in every day for about 2 weeks that is supervised by Erica Bartley. Because Southland does not have a bowling center, the seniors have to get on the bus to go bowl. Before the seniors can bowl, they have to change shoes so that they won't slip on the alley. They choose their shoes based on their shoe size out of a bin that the bowling alley provides for them. The bowling balls, varying from 8 to 16 pounds, are the standard for both amateurs and professionals. They get their balls from the ball rack and get ready to bowl. They put on their shoes and begin to bowl. Kata Allen bowls with a nice follow-through, earning a spare. Bartley, the teacher in charge of overseeing the seniors, gives her insight of what bowling can teach the young adults.
Leadership, independence, and definitely time management, because they need to keep track of what is due and when it's due and be able to figure everything out themselves because they're seniors.
Deron Magnus bowls, ending in a split, the frame showing him having the leading score. Magnus gives us a few reasons as to why he enjoys bowling.
Because I just like anything that has to do with competition, so it's fun getting higher scores with other people.
Calvin Love bowls, ends with nice body English, but still ends with pins 1 and 2 still standing. Sydney Mills tells us how she's improved lately on her bowling techniques.
Well, last week I just surpassed 100 and I was very proud of myself.
Magnus, a basketball player and probably used to lighter balls, bowls yet again, not seeming to be able to get a strike. Preparing to leave, the seniors put their balls back in the ball rack, returning them for another day. They get on the bus and head back to Southland. Though not being able to make any strikes with the pins, they made a strike on Bartley's heart, as shown by the smile on her face as she boards the bus. Back at Southland, they return just in time for dismissal. This is Asia McLemore reporting live from Tele Newsnet.